Let's talk about something that's becoming more and more important in today's workplace: geographic pay. Imagine two employees doing the exact same job with the same experience and performance, but earning different salaries. At first, that might feel unfair, but when you factor in where they live, the picture starts to change. Geographic pay is all about recognizing that location matters. And as organizations expand across regions and remote work continues to grow, this is becoming a key part of how compensation strategies are designed. Not all locations operate under the same economic conditions. The cost of living can vary dramatically from one place to another, and so can the labor market. What it costs to live comfortably and what employers are willing to pay for talent can look very different depending on geography. Geographic pay helps organizations account for these differences. It allows them to stay competitive in local markets while also maintaining a sense of fairness across their workforce. One way organizations approach geographic pay is through cost of living. In this model, employees in higher cost areas, like major cities, may receive higher pay to help offset the increased cost of housing, transportation, and everyday expenses. The goal is to maintain purchasing power, so employees in different locations can experience a similar standard of living, even if their salaries look different on paper. Another and often more widely used approach is based on cost of labor. Instead of focusing on expenses, this method looks at what employers in a specific location are actually paying for similar roles. Organizations use salary surveys and market data to stay competitive and attract talent in each region. This approach reflects a key reality. Compensation is not just about what employees need, it's also about what the market demands. Behind all of these decisions is data. HR professionals rely on tools like cost of living indexes to compare the price of goods and services across locations. These insights help answer an important question: how far does a salary actually go? Because at the end of the day, compensation isn't just about the number, it's about the value that number provides in a specific place. Let's bring this to life. Imagine two employees in the same role, with similar experience and performance, working for the same company, but living in different locations. One lives in a higher cost area, while the other lives in a lower cost area. Without any adjustment, one employee's salary may stretch much further than the other's. Geographic pay helps balance that difference, ensuring compensation reflects not just the role, but the environment in which the employee lives. As remote work continues to reshape the workforce, geographic pay is becoming an increasingly important and sometimes complex decision for organizations. HR professionals are often at the center of these conversations, analyzing data, evaluating trade-offs, and helping design compensation strategies that feel both fair and competitive. When done thoughtfully, geographic pay helps organizations attract talent, retain employees, and create a compensation structure that reflects both the realities of the market and the needs of their people.